And we'll be out here, I guarantee it. Tuesday, opening day here, we'll cut the ribbon officially for the Lakeside Renovation Design weather deck. Speaking of the weather deck, again, want to talk about some of the cool features that we have out here. I have Christy Rennie with Cosentino and Eric Austin with Rock Solid Creations. Christy, we're going to start with you. You guys are kind of responsible for the new countertops. Tell me what's involved with this countertop. What makes it so cool?
Okay. Well, Decton is what we consider an ultra-compact material. There's no resin involved in the material, so it is perfect because it withstands UVA, UVB rays, as well as the freeze-thaw conditions that we have here in the Midwest.
Now, you were telling me earlier when you guys first got here that I didn't realize this. You also do the same kind of the countertops that like I have in the Silestone, like you have in most people have in their kitchens today, right? That's not something you could put out here, is it?
No, you cannot. Due to the resins that are put into the creation of the Silestone, that is not susceptible to exterior usage.
And that's what makes this stuff really cool and makes it great for this practical purpose that we have out here. Christy, thank you very much. Eric, you're with Rock Solid Creations. Take me through the process of getting this out here, because here's the one thing before you answer. That's not a single big solid piece. It's actually a lot lighter.
These are, there's two separate pieces. These are actually cut side by side, which is what's called bookmarked. So they're cut side by side and then folded down to each other so you can see the veining goes all the way through. So that's what we do. Cosentino supplies the material. We are a full fabrication shop. So we get them in slab form from them, and then we fabricate them to the specs of what you guys want or what fits your home or your needs.
Now, are you guys doing a lot of these now on deck? I mean, because decks have changed a lot in the last 20 years from your just your wood deck, and now it's all of this.
Right. It went from your natural wood to your composites, and into your composite stones as well. Your ultra compact surfaces, which is what you see here, and it's definitely making leaps and bounds from what we used to do. So
very good. Well, we can't wait to get out here again. We're going to cut the ribbon and officially open. This is kind of a soft opening today, but the official opening, the grand opening of the Lakeside Renovation Design weather deck is going to be next Tuesday morning right here on Fox 2 News in the morning, Tuesday, April 27th. Mark your calendar, and just because Mother Nature likes us every once in a while, it looks like the weather's going to be great. 82 degrees out on a deck, can you imagine?
Can't ask for it any better than that.
Can't wait to be back.
Exactly. Right now I'm just happy I have the fireplace. We'll send it back to you guys.
All right, Chris, that looks really